Hairs.
Clawbot! So what, he's gonna me or something? Oh, ass claws! Yes, claws! Very painful claws! Well, then you should have called him Burnbot, or Ass Burn, or Dick Burn, or Frosted Flakes, or...
Cut! Good. You're demoted. Back to catering.
I never stopped doing the catering. Oh, no.
Jump off the... That incredibly annoying thing where you turn into a pointy ball and blow up his...
Oh, that real f***ing original.
Yeah, so?
My client will definitely not be doing
F***ing original.
He has to destroy the robot. I want this to have...
Then hire a stuntman.
There's nothing like a lazy day on the beach.
Moving at speed of sound, they try quickest hedgehog around. Got ourselves a situation, stuck here
to be old.
and I can't.
Me, I'm open. Me, I'm open.
Me! I'm open!
Shut your pie hole.
Don't trust her, Knuckles. I told you about the kumquats. You really dropped the ball.
Brace yourself, my friend, because there's nothing...
My breakfast is plotting to kill me.
Spend time with the kids.
I don't have kids.
Well, now's your chance to get some.
Still hanging with man?
Worries.
Stage 2 of his man.
Gay!
And it's a stick. Eggman's being.
Man, you know my name is Dr. Amos.
Is there anything better than pussy? Yes, a really good book.
I'm sailing away.
Oh, magic conch shell, what do we need to do to get out of the kelp forest?
Nothing.
The shell has spoken!
I wish the ground was mushy and soft.
Jackie, does this mean
None.